Yes, sir.
Hi, hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Very good morning, guys. Okay, last session, what we discussed?
How to import API to any studio and just file that through
Yeah.
testing through Postman.
Development, Postman, we are using Postman development things. Those are things we are discussing, sir.
Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
basically what we did, we imported a RAML,
Yes.
okay, from the design center to AnyPoint Studio. There we implemented some kind of business logic, okay?
Yes.
So that is called development. So have you seen any difficulty in the development part?
Development for no, sir.
No,
Not
No,
yet.
right? Why? Because everything will be, drag and drop.
Yes,
So
sir.
the moment you drag and drop any component or connector, what will happen? Automatically code will be generated in the form of backend. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So we are not going to write any code. Okay. Irrespective of any background, anyone can learn this tool very easily. Okay. And recently, one of my student last batch, he got 2 offers in the span of 2 weeks. Okay. I mean, within 10 days after completion of course, within 10 days, he got 2 offers. I'll show you the chat conversation as well at the end. Okay.
Kishore, actually, I'm asking, if they received the job offers,
Sorry?
Kishore, I'm audible.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Actually, the people are getting the offers based on MuleSoft. Basically, without offer letter, sir, without certified MCD level or with certificate.
No, every, see, the moment you join my course, okay, within 10 to 15 days, you are going to finish that MCD level 1. Okay.
Okay.
I can help you to each and everyone to complete that activity.
And one more thing, for MCD level certificate, can you chargeable for?
No, it is
$400
completely
like
free
that?
of cost.
Okay. As of MuleSoft company, they are offering $400 like that. That is why I'm asking.
No, that is only you will get it free of cost. I can help you to get free of cost. So you don't want to pay $400.
Okay.
$450 usually. So you don't want to pay that. If you join this course, I can help you to get it free of cost. And moreover, once you got that voucher, you need to clear the exam. That is another headache. Many people, what they will do, instead of writing, they will take some remote control. They are paying some 6,000 or 10,000, and they are going to clear that exam. So instead of that, I can help you to clear your exam by your own. I'm gonna provide all the questions and as well as answers so that you can crack that exam very easily. Okay. Okay, guys. Now anyone practice that 2 sessions, last 2 sessions? No one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
At least
I tried that. I've done with the rammer and the imports. It's done yet.
import also done.
Yeah, import done with there.
So you created, you already downloaded AnyPoint Studio?
Yes,
I downloaded.
actually, yeah, I have just before the joining this session, past 2 or 3 months, I'm just starting my listening my own by training.mulesoft.com. So
Okay.
I have already set up all these things. So yeah,
Oh, great.
yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
Superb, guys. So what I'll do, I'll make you host, Hemant. Can you try to share your screen?
The thing. Yeah, the
Huh?
thing. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, just give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, others, any questions? If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. I can help you.
In MuleSoft, there are two development and support roles also available.
Yes. Support is nothing but once we deploy our application to cloud, okay, sometimes we may get some issues, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So that kind of work we can call it as support work. Let's say you are using one banking application, right?
Yeah.
Any banking, you can take it. Let's say due to some reason you are not able to, log into your account. That is one of the issue, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you will do immediately, you are going to, call to customer care, or you are going to raise a request, right? So
Yes, sir.
this request they are going to assign to the developers. Developers, they will have a look. Why this guy Rajesh is not able to access this site? What was the issue? So this kind of work we can call it as support work. Okay.
Actually, in our project support team also doing, they are also involved to me. That's why,
Okay.
sir.
That's what I'm saying. But that will be very easy. You
Yeah.
won't get, most of the work. You will get very little work over there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, Hemant.
Yes, so can you please continue because it's asking me some authorization.
Yeah, correct.
This
Host.
authorization, and
I
it's
made
getting,
you host.
yeah, actually it's getting some net.
No, you can share now.
It just give me no. It just asked me to just log into that anypoint.mulesoft.com over there.
Okay.
Yeah, and for this it's asking me some authentication. So you just continue. I'm just done with this. I will just complete all the things and will share the screen.
Okay,
once
no problem.
done with this. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. So
And if you import RAML to that, studio, not required. You don't want to open that platform. So today our role is, okay. Anyway, you can open it.
yeah, this is.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. This is Srinivas.
Yes.
Yeah, which type of projects we need to handle in the as a MuleSoft?
See, MuleSoft we are going to use in all the domains. Okay, let's say insurance, hospital, okay, banking.
No.
Uh,
Yeah. I'm not asking about the industries. Just which type of projects like implementation project, support project, rollout.
everything
like
will be there now. We cannot say exactly only implementation. If you do only implementation, who will do support work? Implementation means you are going to develop one application, right?
Yeah.
So once you develop this application, you need to give support at least 1 year or 2 year to the client, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So that's why we need to involve, all the things. Let's say from starting design to development, development to deployment. After deployment, you need to maintain this. Understood?
Yeah.
So you are going to work, all different kinds of, projects and different types of, implementation. Some projects you may get from scratch. Okay. You need to
Okay,
start with
yeah.
the design. Some of the organizations, what will happen? They already, created, design, everything got completed. That time they are going to hire you. Sometimes what will happen? Already implementation 50% over. Some employee left the organization. Okay. On behalf
Okay.
of him, you have to work on it. So we cannot say exactly like what kind of project you will get, what kind of work you will do. Understood?
Yeah. Yes, I understand.
So that question you need to ask to the HR. Hey, what kind of project I need to work on it? Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And is there any particular particular roles for that. For example, Salesforce, we take Salesforce. Salesforce have a Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer like that. Is there any particular?
Here it is not like this. Here this tool is very
Okay.
small. Okay.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
here we have 3 phases: design, development, deployment. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you learn all these things, you can apply any kind of job easily. That is the advantage with the MuleSoft. Let's say, as you
Mhm.
said, if you take Salesforce, we need to take, Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer, Salesforce integration, lightning. So many things will be there. Understood?
Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah.
So here in Mule, it is not like this. You can learn this MuleSoft. You can apply all kind of jobs except this architect role. Architect is very big, right?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Others, any questions?
Kishore, actually, we are not unable to see your.
No, I'm not able to share anything.
Okay, thank you. And one more thing, I want
Yeah.
to ask. Previously, designation which I was working at previous organization, senior associate and operation level.
Okay.
So these are the designation. For example, if I got an opportunity in MuleSoft based technology, for example, this designation will be helpful. Why? Because MuleSoft developer like that.
See, no one will see your designations and all, because
Okay.
this designation will be vary for each and every organization.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay.
Even let's say if you are working as a tester, your role will be, tester.
Okay.
Still, let's say you have 4 years of experience into testing. Okay, all complete 4 years into testing only. But
Okay.
you learn this MuleSoft course. Okay,
Great.
whenever you go for interview, like if you are selected, then if you share your CV to them, then they will say, hey, here they mentioned tester. Then tell them, hey boss, initially, I joined as a tester in this organization, but past 2 years onwards, I'm working into MuleSoft development, because due to project requirement, they give training on me, and they put me in that project. Like this, you can tell them.
And one more question. Actually, I am 6 years experience. So I
Ah,
wanted to put as a last 3 years experience as a MuleSoft.
yes.
So is there any project, for example, they will ask definitely what project you have worked in 3 years like that.
Yeah,
How
we will
can
share
get
the
project?
resumes. We will, in that resumes, so many projects will be there. In that,
Okay.
you can pick any one project, and how to explain that project also, I will
Okay.
explain at the end of the course.
Great, great. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now we'll go to our topic. Today, we need to deploy our application to cloud, right? So deployment process. So first thing,
Yes,
why we need to deploy our application to cloud?
it's going to production way.
Hmm.
It's going to production way. It will be used for any, I mean, the client in the production.
So client's
To
location
make
could be
it
anywhere.
available for
So
globally.
that's why we deploy it in the cloud, so that it can easily go to the client, whichever way it has to be within the organization.
Client, if they want to reach out to only client, what we can do, we can share that URL, right?
Yeah, even within the organization.
Within the organization, in any point exchange, everyone can access that application, right?
Yeah,
But why we need to publish to cloud?
Sir, we need some storage, right? Sir, we need a server or somewhere to store it. Our
Storage, you can keep it in your laptop, no?
But okay.
Hmm.
But if it is in the laptop, how would it get deployed to the client? So it becomes like if we keep it in the cloud area, it's because the application size could be very big. It could be a lot of things would be there. The size, it could be what you could say, even the multiple users would be available. So everybody would be able to access it.
No, I will tell you the story. Okay.
Okay.
See, basically, why we need to deploy our application to cloud. Okay, this is not related to only company and client, right? Company and client, they are going to develop, they will come up with an idea and they are going to develop one application. This application is developing for whom? Obviously end users, right?
Mhm.
Let's say
Yeah.
you guys are using Zomato, Swiggy. Okay.
Okay.
So who is using this Zomato and Swiggy? Client or company?
Client.
Client.
Company.
Client is doing business with the Swiggy or Zomato. They are earning money. They created this app and they, push to App Store and Play Store, and they are earning money.
So retail customers, normal, I mean, like VS, I mean, it's a huge population which is using.
Yeah, generally, whatever the applications which we are going to develop,
Mhm.
okay, all these applications are, consumed by the users, okay, or customers, you can call it.
Okay. Okay.
Let's say if you are developing one payment gateway, okay, to your application, okay, who is going to use that payment gateway? Let's say someone want to buy something in your application. Let's say if you take Amazon or Flipkart. In that, what we are doing, we are creating multiple APIs. We are going to integrate some kind of payment gateway. So who and all using all these things? Customers, right? Agree or not?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. See, basically, why we are going to publish our API to cloud? See, cloud came recently, right? Mostly last 5 or 10 years back, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In olden days, how they are going to store these things? How they are going to deploy their application?
In-house
Server.
servers it used to be major.
See, if someone is working on big MNC, so there some rooms will be there, server rooms. There they will keep one red board saying that only authorized people need to enter that room.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Agree or not? Anyone seen?
Yeah, I see, sir.
So why? Because there what happened, they are going to maintain all their servers. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see the server rooms will be look like this? Inside this, it will be look like this. These are all, some kind of servers.
It
See,
used to
only
be so-
authorized people, network
used-
engineers, they can enter into this room. Okay. But already we have inbuilt servers we are using in our office itself. Then why they are choosing this cloud option?
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah, actually, we can see in GeoFiber offices like Geo offices are there now.
Yeah,
In there
yeah.
also we can see like this.
Servers, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So now my question is, already we are using these servers in our organization itself. Why we need to go with the cloud?
Sir, the capacity, sir, I mean, it is how much capacity do we need it, we won't be aware it. With the cloud, we can expand. Imagine we assume that 40,000 people would come in a day, but apparently if 80,000 people are coming, so we can expand the space, we can expand the power with the cloud. But doing it within the office, it will be very tough, and the infrastructure cost would be also very high and will take a lot of time.
Okay, this is point number one.
Okay.
See, first thing is whatever he said, that is 200% correct. So let's say we have one project, okay? So for this project, these servers are fair enough, okay? So whenever you got any project, what you need to do, you need to showcase all these things to the client, saying that, hey, I have these many servers with this capacity, and I have these many resources. For this project, I have 5 MuleSoft developers, 2 testers, 1 architect, 1 project manager, okay? And I have these many servers, okay? These many network engineers. You need to showcase to the client. If client will agree, then they will make one SLA. SLA is nothing but service level agreement. Okay, this is an agreement between client and company. They are going to write, terms and conditions when they are going to finish the project, how much they need to pay, how many installments, everything they will write in the SLA. Okay. So once we got the project, what we need to do? We need to start working on it. Let's say we have one huge project. So to do that, what we need to do? First, we need to buy some servers, right? These servers are physical servers. Understood or not? obviously cost will be more. Whenever you buy a server, what you need to do? You have to keep it somewhere in your office. Agree or not?
Yes.
Let's say I kept all my servers in this room, so that what will happen? This room, employees, they cannot use it, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
So instead of these servers, I can keep 20 members this side, 20 this side, total 80 members, they can sit here, aram se they can work, right?
Hmm.
But now what happened? This entire space will be wasted. Agree or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's say if you take all the software companies, these companies will be there in very familiar faces. Agree or not? Places. Let's say if you are in Hyderabad, all companies may be in high-tech city. Agree?
Hmm.
If you are in Bangalore, all companies will be in Manhattan Tech Park or Whitefield, right?
Yeah.
All will be in prime locations. Their cost will be more. Understood?
Hmm. Hmm.
Imagine if you guys are working in some big MNCs. So every day we'll go to office, right? You are going to sit in one chair, right?
Yes, sir.
You know what is the cost of that chair?
Yes, sir.
I mean, cost of chair means not that chair price. Okay. They will take on rental basis. Okay.
Okay.
Every day, every month they are going to pay 6,000 to 10,000 rupees
For one chair, sir.
for one chair.
It's like
Okay.
a plug.
So that much of costly. At this moment, if you are keeping all these servers, okay, this entire space will be wasted. Point number one. Point number two is we need to buy these, servers physically. Okay, it will be expensive. Once you buy these servers, what will happen? We need to keep some internet cable, right? Ethernet cables and all, right or wrong? Can you see these cables?
Hmm.
We need to buy all these things. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
I want to maintain these servers healthy. So my servers always it will be healthy. 24/7. I need to maintain AC. Then only my servers will be healthy, right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
And moreover, I need to maintain power backup 24/7. Agree or not? Otherwise,
Yeah.
your server will won't work.
Hmm.
So if power goes down, what we need to do? We need to maintain alternate, right? We need to use some generator or something. If you are using generator, again you need to hire one watchman. Whenever power goes down, immediately he need to run and he need to turn on that generator, right? And for that we need to use some petrol or diesel or something, right?
Yes, sir.
And to maintain all these servers, we need to hire some network engineers like this. Agree or not?
Yes.
So everything will be expensive. Imagine we have one project, okay, we are getting more profit. So I'm going to do all these things. Next time what happened? I got one more project. That is very big project compared to this. Again, what I need to do?
Again, I
These
have
servers
to.
are not fair enough to do that project, right?
Yes.
So again, I need to repeat all these things. I need to buy a place. I need to keep servers. I need to buy Ethernet cable, internet cable, AC, power, network engineers. Everything I need to repeat it. Okay, that project is done. Next time what happened? I waited for 3 months. I did not get any project. Still I waited 3 more months. 6 months got over. I didn't get any project. Now what happened? What they will do? Company will not pay, salaries, right? For each and everyone without, doing anything.
Hmm.
That's why what they did, they are going to do some kind of cost cutting, right?
Hmm.
So let's say for these two projects, maybe 200 people or 200 people worked. Okay. Right now, out of 200, we don't have any project. No one is working. In this scenario, what I'll do? I will wait for 6 months. Simply for 6 months, all employees, I'm going to pay the money. After that, I don't have any money to pay to the employers. What I will do? I am going to terminate it, right? At least few people I'm going to terminate. Few I can keep in the same project. What they will do, they are going to support these projects. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So this termination happened few years back, not now. Agree or not? Nowadays, terminations are not happening frequently. Agree or not?
Yes.
Why? Because nowadays, whatever we are doing, everything is doing in the cloud. Okay. Cloud means it is not there in the sky. Whatever setup which we are doing here, same we will implement it in very bigger way. Let's say if I want to buy some space in high tech city or Bangalore, Whitefield or Manatha Tech Park. Okay. 1 square feet will be around 8,000 to 15,000. Imagine only 1 square feet. At least we need to take some 5,000 or 10,000 square feet, right? To maintain all this thing. It will be very costly, right? Now, what these cloud providers will do, like Amazon, Microsoft Azure, Google, what these guys will do, these guys will go to very rural place. There they are going to buy some acres of land and they are going to implement it in very bigger way. They will buy so many servers. They will do all kind of setup. But what these guys will do, let's say I have one project. Okay, I need this much of GB now. So what I will do, I am going to interact with the all cloud providers who is going to provide the best price and service. I will take it. Let's say today I have one project. Okay, I need some storage. I will ask Amazon guy. That guy is going to provide this service. Okay, so that I can host my application here. So now I don't want to maintain server. I don't want to keep Ethernet cable, internet cable. I don't want to keep AC. So I don't want to do anything. Just ready-made thing I will get it. Okay, for this storage I am going to pay only this much of amount. Understood? Let's say you guys are using electricity, right? In your home. The electricity bill will be vary for each and every month. Agree or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why it will be vary every month?
Usage.
Based on
Everybody has a
usage.
different usage.
Depending on the usage, right? Here
Yes.
also same way. Whatever you use, okay, you have to pay only for that. Okay, that's why cloud is more popular nowadays. Understood? So even if I want to deploy my application to cloud, so I'm going to pay some amount to them. Okay, so they will allow me to deploy my application to in that server. Agree? So once I deploy my application to server, all the customers, they can access my websites. Agree? That's why we need to deploy our application to cloud. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to deploy our application to cloud, very easy. One single step, we can do it. Hemant, are you ready to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Can you share your screen now? I'm going to stop.
Yeah.
So whenever cloud came into picture, they are not terminating people. Why? Because if they don't have any project, what they will do? They're asking to reskill, okay, to work on the other projects or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
So in this.
Yeah, yeah.
Change I had
That is
done.
okay. Just to open this studio. You already imported, right?
Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is done.
Yeah, it is done. Okay, perfect.
For this, I have done with the YAML for all the scenarios, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Good. Yeah, yeah.
The functionality done with for the addition only is this.
Addition only. Yeah, yeah. Correct.
For this, as you said, I was used two variables.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a set variables 1 and 2, and in transform message, I have done with simple to just display the addition. the result will be VAS.number1 plus VAS.number2.
Number 2, perfect.
Yeah, and once I've done with all the things, once you
You deploy, right?
yeah, it's done. And in this Play Store, in this Postman,
Yeah, 10 plus
so
41.
what is this?
Okay.
4, 10, 40. If I change this to, you can say the
Yeah, perfect.
1000 and send over there. What's happened?
Go to,
Connection.
wait, go to studio. Scroll down towards right. Still it is not initialized.
Okay.
Now it
Yeah,
is initialized. That's why you are getting this error.
yeah. I need to just start. I need to again
Yeah.
this for it. I'm just going to stop it.
Okay, not required. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay. Then
So here we imported, right? Up to now we
Yes.
did, right?
Yes. Yes.
So after this, we need to deploy this application to cloud. Okay.
Yes.
This we can achieve in 2 ways. One is single click. By using single click, you can deploy your application to cloud. Okay. To do
Yes.
that, just click on the calculator, right click on the calculator.
Okay.
No. Yeah, right click.
Yeah.
Right click.
Yes.
So go to any point platform. Down.
Endpoint platform.
Down. Yeah. So deploy to Cloud Hub.
Deploy to cloud.
Okay.
Yes.
So the moment you click on this single click, what will happen? It may ask you any point platform credentials.
I think I have already submitted, so that's
Yes.
it will not ask again. I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We'll check.
You can wait for some time.
Yeah. Actually, my laptop is still slow. That's right.
Okay, no problem. Your trail account has recently ended.
Yeah, okay.
That means whenever if you create account with this AnyPoint platform, it will be valid for only this feature 30 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we cannot deploy our application to cloud. Why?
Okay.
Because your service got expired.
Yeah, my
Okay,
trial.
only this service will be available for 30 days. Got it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you cancel this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so this is one way we can do it. Other way I will explain you guys.
Okay. Yeah. I will just stop my sharing. Yes.
Yeah. No, you can keep it. No problem. Here
Okay.
only I will explain. So
Okay.
again, right click on the project, calculator. This is second way, guys. I'm going to explain. Now click on export. So the moment you click on export, select Mule. Click on that. Click on next. If it is Mule 4, it will create a one jar file over here. Can you see?
Yes.
Don't click on that. Click on finish. Users wiki. So in this location, it will generate a jar file. Okay.
Yes.
So if you share this jar to other developers, okay, sometimes what will happen, DevOps team, they are going to deploy this application. Okay. That time you can share this jar with them. They will only deploy this. Okay. So after completion of this, the jar file will be located under this place. See users wiki. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay, click on OK. Now go to AnyPoint platform.
Okay. Okay. Hold here.
Go to browser, AnyPoint platform.
Okay. Just give me a second. There are some mail service. Just give me a second.
No, you just open any one browser.
Okay, anyone browser. Okay.
Yeah, you can open that AnyPoint platform. Yeah, just type AnyPoint platform. Wait, hold on. Here it was. Yeah, enter. So here what I'll do, I'm going to log in with this. I'm going to sign out this. This is already expired, right? Account.
Yes,
Okay. Now I can log in with my credentials. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So now we imported one jar, right? So now you can go here, go to runtime manager. By using this runtime manager, we can deploy our application to cloud. See, you can select sandbox. Here you will have different environments, guys. Sandbox, dev, pre-prod, prod, like this. They will create all these things. So now let me deploy application. So it is expecting one jar file, right? File. We need to upload this file. Very simple. Upload a file. Where it is, C, users, wiki. So here you can see the jar file. Can you see calculator jar?
Yes.
Open it. That's it. You just provide the, name. I'll see. Okay. See, here we have two versions, Cloud Hub version 1.1, 2.0. So if you select Cloud Hub, this will be okay, perfect. See, this is the application name and the deployment where I want to deploy my application to cloud. Okay, and I selected jar file as well. Now, can you see here? You can see few things, worker and worker size. Okay, this is the interview question. What is the difference between horizontal scaling and vertical scaling? That is one interview question. Try to prepare answer for this. And what do you mean by worker and worker size? Worker is nothing but mule instance, like a server. Okay. So this application, okay, in how many servers I want to install it? You can select some numbers. Right now we are using free tier account, right? So can you see your current subscription allows you only one worker for application. They are giving free of cost, right? So that's why they will give you only one server to us for free. Okay, but in office we will have options. Worker size means the maximum amount of memory that is assigned to this worker. Let's say if we buy a phone or laptop, we can see some GB, right?
Yes.
1 GB, 2 GB like this.
Hmm.
Here also you can mention some GB here. Can you see? 0.1 vCore means 500 MB. 0.2 vCore means 1 GB. You can select depending upon your application size. You can select all these things. See, for this, 0.1 vCore, 500 MB is fair enough for this application. Okay. Clear?
Sorry to interrupt you. Can I
Yeah.
ask one question regarding this?
Yeah.
In which conditions we will increase the worker size, and in which condition we will increase the workers?
That's what I told you right just now.
Okay.
Horizontal scaling and vertical scaling.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you prepare answer for this, you will get this answer. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Try to prepare that answer.
Yes.
Anyway, I'm going to cover all these things in class. Okay. Coming classes.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So whatever you asked already, I answered horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. So you need to find out what is horizontal, what is vertical. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now clear, right? You can see some properties here, right? If you want, if you have any client ID and client secret, you can post it here, like any point dot platform dot client underscore ID like this. Okay, we need to set up few things here, and we need to add auto discovery in the studio also. That I did not do it now. In the actual classes, I will implement. Just click on simply deploy this application. See, it is running based on your internet speed. It will go. Okay.
Yes.
Very simple, guys. That's it. This is how we can deploy our application to cloud very easily. Just single step. Now what happened? This application is going to be deployed. See, this is the interview question. How many days, we can see our log? Can you see? Logs are kept for 30 days. Only 30 days we can see the logs. After that, it will be permanently vanished. Understood? Even if it is free tier account or office account also, it will be same 30 days only. Or up to 100 MB, you can see it here. Understood?
Yes.
It will take some time. After that, what will happen? It is going to be deployed, that application. Okay. And if you go to settings, it will create one app URL. Can you see? This URL we need to share to the client. Okay.
Yes.
And whenever you want to stop this application, you will have option stop or delete or restart your application. All these things you can do it. Clear? And if you want to see logs, you just go here and you can see it. Very simple, guys. This is how we can deploy our application to cloud. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
And apart from this, we can set up some CI/CD also. Okay. This is the manual deployment, right? We are going to, download the jar file, we are uploading and we are doing, right? This is the manual process.
Yes.
CI/CD means continuous integration, continuous deployment. Okay, there what we need to do. So once after completion of your development, directly you can push your application to GitHub. So that what will happen? Automatically trigger will happen and the application will be deployed automatically. Let's say today you implemented additional functionality, right? You did not implement multiplication, division and all, right?
Yes. Correct.
Tomorrow what you will do? You are going to again implement the functionality. If you want to deploy it again, what you need to do? Again, you need to take the latest jar and you need to upload it. You need to do the same procedure.
Yes. Correct.
This is the manual process. But whereas in case of if you set up CI/CD, just if you implement the business logic for addition subtraction, just push your code to the GitHub. So that automatically whenever you push, even if it is midnight or any time, automatically this trigger will happen. See, can you see?
Okay.
This got started.
Started. Yes.
Okay. So these and all we can test it later. Right now we will not get the output because we didn't add something, right?
Yes.
So what we need to do, we need to replace this URL. Okay, with this. Okay.
Okay. I think
The
because
resource not found.
okay.
Why? Because like we didn't add a few more.
Yeah.
We didn't get the response. Why? Because we need to add auto discovery. We need to pair it. Once we select this application in the global element, we need to add auto discovery. This concept we missed. This we will cover in actual class. Okay.
Okay.
So if you select auto discovery, it will ask you auto discovery ID. See API ID. This ID you will get it where? From here. Where it is. If you go to API manager,
Yeah.
from there you will get auto discovery. These and all I will explain. Okay. I will have a separate concept Cloud Hub deployment. I will take one day. I'm going to explain all these options. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
So here we will get the ID. Clear, guys? Very simple. We are not going to use, say, click on add API, add new API. Okay. So here you just select Mule Gateway. Scroll down, click on next. Select your API. Scroll down. Click on next. Next. Just remove this. Next. Scroll down. Save it. Now we will get one instance ID here. Can you see? This ID we need to copy it. Okay. And you need to paste here. Okay. And then you have to select the main flow here. Okay. This complete story I will explain you step by step so that you can easily understand. So did we wrote any code here? No, right?
No.
That's what in MuleSoft, there is no coding, guys. Everything will be, drag and drop. Understood?
Okay.
Clear?
Sir, one question, sir, regarding this deployment, we would be having a different team altogether, right?
Yes, correct. In most of the companies, DevOps team will be there. They will take care of this deployment process. But for interview point of view,
Okay.
you need to learn. So that's why sometimes what will happen, let's say, unfortunately, you joined any startup company. There we don't have any DevOps team. That time, who is going to take care of this deployment part? Obviously, MuleSoft team, right? That
Yeah.
time, if you don't know how to do that, it will be a problem, right?
Yes.
So that's why I'm going to cover this concept also. Understood?
Right,
And
sir.
moreover, in this, I introduced Git and GitHub as well. Basically, you know very well, Git and GitHub, it is not related to MuleSoft. It is related to DevOps, right or wrong?
Yes.
DevOps tool. But still, why I'm going to cover in this course? Why? Because the moment you join any organization, okay, already what happened? We need to get the code. All our source code will be located in the GitHub. So you have to clone that code and you need to implement some functionality. After that, again, you need to push your latest changes to GitHub. If you don't know these things, initial 1 week only they will come to know you are a fake guy. Understood? So that's why I'm going to cover all these concepts. Okay.
All right.
So today what I'll do, I'm going to share this recording with you around 11 o'clock. And along with that, I'm going to share the course content as well. Okay. Clear?
Kishore, actually, one doubt for
Yes.
me. I configured a Postman, so I used the HTTP. I'm getting the while I'm sending the request. Request cannot be sent in public workspace right now. So we are working on that for a future release. I'm getting the error while I'm sending the request. Is there any issue Postman version?
Maybe they are updating that time. That otherwise, what you can do?
Okay.
You can just type Postman sign up, download. Okay. So the moment you click on open, it will work as a application like sign up. It will ask you email, username, password. You can try here. Otherwise, don't worry. I'm going to explain you how to install, how to download each and every software very clearly. Don't worry about it.
Okay, okay.
Even AnyPoint Studio, how to download, how to install, everything I will explain.
Okay, it's great. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay. And
And
Kishore, actually, my friends are there wanted to inquiry regarding that MuleSoft training. Actually, next month, per a month, how many days you are going to be training for demo session in 3 batch or 2 batch?
demo 4 classes. Now this is 4th day, right?
No, not this class. Actually,
Ah.
this running session is there, na. So next, if you want to give you new batches there, na, that type of batches.
New batch, every month I will handle only 2 batches, morning one, evening one.
Okay. So next fresh batch, when you are going to be start with
After
the demo?
completion of this month, this batch. It may take some 30 days.
Okay, after 30 days, you are going to be start another fresh batch, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, that time just you can
Yeah, sure.
I can
We'll
able to
give
refer
you
my
update.
friends. Actually, there are 4 members are there. They are eagerly wanted to ask, but this one they are not going to be joined. Why? Because their working time is not suitable.
Okay,
so
no
evening
problem.
batch they are going to be joined.
Yeah. No problem. And recently, previous batch, one lady got an offer. See, this girl, she got an offer. Okay, can you see? She updated her resume 7/7/23, this month 7th. Okay. Here, 7/7/23. She updated resume. Okay. And after 3 days, she got, calls. Maybe 10th or 11th, she got call. Okay.
No,
Now-
Kishore, that is I don't have any doubt. Why? Because recently.
No. What I'm saying, I'm showcasing to others. Okay. See, previous batch.
I am a best example person regarding which I was 6.5 years experience. My old resume was there. Just I have to change them little bit of AnyPoint Studio, AnyPoint platform, and as well as Postman. These are
You are
the
getting
things
calls.
which I was uploaded in resume and as well as Naukri portal. So I'm getting every day one call, Tech Mahindra, TCS, and in what are the Indian MNC company? I'm getting the calls every day one call regarding MuleSoft developer, MuleSoft support, integration support like
Correct.
that. There is
So
no
many calls
worry
will be
about
there.
that. Yeah, definitely. The
No,
problem is
that's
we need to
this
learning.
point, right? For others, they don't know, right? That's why I'm showcasing.
Yeah. The problem is we need to learn with hands experience level.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So here, can you see? She updated resume on 7th and she got calls on 10th. Okay. Then yesterday she texted me. She got a job as well. See? And she got 2 offers. One is with this company, other one is with this company. Okay. So within, 2 days, she got 2 offers. Okay. And she don't have any prior experience on this MuleSoft. Just, after completion of my training, okay, immediately she got an opportunity in the span of 10 days and with the 2 offers. And our package will be more, I guess. She kept 4 years. Minimum worst case, she got, 10 to 12. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to spend daily 2 hours. Okay. And you need to spend 35 days, daily 2 hours. Okay. So that you can learn one good tool and you can change, your technology, or you want to switch to software. Everything is possible in this span of 2 months. Okay. See, up to today, our free sessions got over. So I'm going to provide, 2 to 3 days of time. So already I created one WhatsApp group. People who want to continue this course, please enroll this course. I'm going to add you in the separate WhatsApp group. Okay. So in previous batch, this month 2nd, I started one batch. Okay. Can you see? So in this, they're going to post all their queries, questions. Okay. Everything we can answer. See, let's say they're facing some issue, so I can help you. See, in this group, almost 63 people will be there. Okay.
So can you please add me in that group?
No, that is different group, previous batch. What I'll do, if you guys register, I'm going to create one more batch. That is MuleSoft 30th batch.
Okay.
Okay. So once you register, we will add you in that WhatsApp group.
Okay. Yes. Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I'm coming from IGM, so
Yeah,
you
no problem. IGM or VLR or any Gautam IT, I do have types with the different institutes. You can directly pay to them. So they will share your number with me. I can add you in the WhatsApp group.
Sir, I've already done, sir.
You already did? Okay, great.
No, from I was came from VLR. How I can go?
Yeah. You can directly call to him and you can register and he is going to add you. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll be there in that group. So you will get my number. You can reach out to me directly. Any questions, queries? Okay.
Yes, sir. One more question. How is the demand for MuleSoft trainer, sir?
Trainer.
Yes.
So you want to become a trainer?
Sir, I'm already a Salesforce authorized trainer.
Oh, great.
So that's why I was asking, what is the demand for the trainer, sir, for
Trainer, see how you are going to deliver the content. Okay, let's say you started one batch. Okay.
Mhm.
If you are going to deliver the content, okay,
Mhm.
that people, they will understand each and every point, very clearly. And if they may ask any questions, you need to answer on the spot. Okay.
Mhm.
You know very well, right? You are into
Yeah, I'm,
Salesforce.
sir,
Yeah,
I'm
that's right.
already
And if any people got placed with your training, what they will do, they are going to, tell to 10 to 15 members, saying that, hey, I took from training from Pankaj. He is too good. He will explain each and everything very clearly. Then what they will do, they are going to refer some candidates, right?
okay.
Here, how I am getting like 60, 40 people on every batch.
So, sir,
Because this
you are doing your own this thing. I'm asking as a company trainer or things like,
company, we need to go to corporate.
yeah, corporate training only I'm asking.
Corporate, you will have some websites, okay?
Mhm.
I can post you a few website. In that
Okay,
you
sir.
can apply it.
Okay, I guess I'll just once I get your number, I'll get in touch with you.
Yeah, sure, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've
I can help.
already registered this thing. So if it is there, I'll just get you.
And send me the course content and everything, what and all you are going to teach. Okay. So that what will happen, if possible, I can help you. Okay.
All right, sir. No
To
worries.
become a trainer. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Years people can pass okay, sir.
2 years you will get less. But if
Mhm.
you have minimum 3 years, you will get so many calls. As someone told me right just now, daily he's getting one call.
Okay.
So market is too good for this mule. What you need to do if you want to join this course, at least you need to spend daily 2 hours on daily basis, so that you will get job very easy.
Okay, sir.
Hi,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీరు ఏమైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా సార్?
Yes, we can help you for the experience. We can fulfill your gap.
Hi, sir. Certification is mandatory for interview.
చెప్పాను కదా, not mandatory, but let's say 3 people went for interview. Okay.
Okay.
Out of 3, 2 got certified. Okay. HR, who is going to prefer?
35 people.
Okay.
That's it, right? You only told me also. Yeah.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్ సార్, ఇప్పుడు సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఇప్పటి నుండి 2 years వ్యాలిడిటీ కదా సార్?
Yes, correct.
అయితే మనం ఫేక్ అనేది ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫేక్ అనేది ఒక 2 years బ్యాక్ పెట్టినాం అనుకోండి.
నువ్వు 6 years పెట్టు. Okay. What will happen? Tell them, okay, boss, past 6 years onwards, I am working as a MuleSoft developer, but I completed my certification last month. Nothing will happen.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. It's not saying that like, you got certified now, like, how you got experience. Experience is different. Doing certification is different. Right?
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah.
Sir, one
Okay,
more doubt.
guys. Yeah.
So, sir, from tomorrow the regular class will start, and it's
Not
the same-
tomorrow, Monday onwards.
Acha, it's from Monday. Okay.
Yes.
And
I am going to provide some time. Okay. These guys, they need to think right. So what you guys can do, you can attend the other MuleSoft demos. Okay. With the different institutes, if they are going to provide, better than good content and, the way explanation compared to me, if they are giving good, and you can go there also like this. Okay.
Okay.
No, Kishore, actually, like I heard so many demos among four to five institutions I was attending the demo classes. So
Yes.
out of 4 to 5 demo classes, you are going to give wonderful explanations.
Yes,
and
sir.
you are giving wonderful benefits also for who are
Way
the
of explanation, very nice,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
very no,
Correct.
no, not only explanations. Your commitment will be there now. That is certificate, MCD level certificate,
Yes,
and
yes, correct.
along with your explanation and you are supporting to approach while we are asking the questions, and as well as the final ultimate, you are giving the opportunity for getting the job. That support level we
Yes,
are
correct.
expecting from your
Yes.
side. That's where we are very 100% satisfied with your training.
Okay, thank you so much. See, my ultimate, goal is like if you join, at least some people in the batch, half of the people, they need to get placed within month or 2 months.
So actually, still I am asking one doubt repeatedly. Why? Because 2 times I was asked one question.
Okay.
So I cross-checked with so many institutions. They
Okay.
told me you need to pay $400. You need to pay.
No, you don't want to pay.
No. What
Uh.
what certificate? But you are saying free of cost. I can able to provide MCT level certificate. That is I am little bit of confusion. How it is possible for you? Like
No, see what these guys are doing. If you pay $400, what they will do? They will, register in some website and they will complete some activities. Okay, they will get a voucher with your name. So further, they are taking some money.
okay,
$400 means for each 32, almost 32,000.
yeah,
Simply they
nearby
are taking some.
32.
So I don't want to take that kind of money. Okay, so that you will get it free of cost. So even if you didn't join this course, okay, still if you want to get that certification, okay, just go to YouTube. Okay. So just open this YouTube, just type MuleSoft by Kishore Reddy. So this is my channel name. See, I'm working professional, right? So that's why I didn't mention my name. I kept some alias name here. Okay. So in this, I posted one video. How to enroll for MCD level 1. Can you see? You just go through this recording. You will come to know how you need to get the voucher. Each and everything I explained very clearly. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Even if you don't want to join my course also, you can go through these steps. You will get the voucher.
So
Clear?
you are providing the certificate based on this instruction only, right?
Yes. You will
Oh.
get it this voucher directly from the MuleSoft company itself.
Okay. Then after we need to write the exam provided by you dump and
Yes,
material.
correct. Yeah, I'm going to provide all the 60 questions and answers.
Okay.
Same questions you will get it. You can clear within that certification.
Okay.
Within 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Then immediately you will get the certificate in the same portal itself.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
So one
question, sir.
for platform architect.
Platform architect, see, if you want to go with a direct platform architect, I won't suggest you. Why? Because if you work at least 3 years on MuleSoft, then you can easily crack that. But by using dumps and all, you can clear it, but you won't get good experience. Understood?
Is it for only any point platform level, like not on studio and all?
Sorry?
No, the platform architect certification.
See, here we have 3 different types of certification. First is developer. Okay. MCD level 1, MuleSoft certified developer level 1. MCD level 2 recently came, MuleSoft certified developer level 2. Okay. This is for entry level. After that, we have MCIA and MCPA. MCIA is nothing but MuleSoft certified integration architect. Integration means it will come both platform and as well as studio. MCPA means only related to platform. Understood? MuleSoft certified platform architect, integration architect. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, chalo.
Hello, just last question. From Monday, what will be the course timing?
Same 8 to 9.
8 to 9. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
సార్ వన్ మోర్ లాస్ట్ డౌట్ సార్.
Yes.
సార్ MNC లో ట్రై చేసే ఫేక్ తోని 3 years కి వెళ్తే ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది సార్?
ఏం కాదండి.
ఏం కాదు.
See, the moment you join, if you go for interview, in interview while scheduling, your interview, HR will come to know you are a fake guy.
ఓకే.
ఎలా అంటే లెట్స్ సే HR మీకు కాల్ చేసి ఎంత ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది, ఏంది, ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అవుతావు అని అడుగుతారు. ఓకే. The
Okay.
moment they will ask you, you said your notice will be 15 days or 1 month.
Yes, sir.
If you are working in MNC, how come like 15 days is possible? Without job, you can't put resignation, right?
Yes, sir.
So there only they will come to know you are a fake, but still they will process. Why? Because they want to, fulfill that, resource. Otherwise, their manager will scold him, right? Now, once they schedule interview, you will come to technical round, right?
Okay.
So within 5 minutes, I will come to know whether you are a fake or genuine. The way how you are going to answer, so that I will come to know. Okay, within 5 minutes. Like this, if I'm keep on rejecting people, that position will not be fulfilled. Okay. Even that work I need to do it, right? What I will
Yes.
do, I'm going to interview 10 candidates. Okay, all 10 candidates are fake. Out of 10 candidates, I will take one best fake candidate. Best fake candidate is nothing but he is having some extra knowledge compared to others, and if I give some hint, he is going to do that work. If I give that confidence, I can hire that guy. Understood? This is what it is going to happen each and every organization.
What about the background certificate, sir? Like a background check.
Certification, that is not related to technical rundle, right? Separate
Yeah.
BGB team will be there. They will take care of that. If they will find something, we can manage mostly, but only in 2 cases we cannot manage that. One is, they may ask you, bank statement, so we can edit it and we can give it to them.
Okay.
If they are happy, fine. Our job will be cool. Sometimes what will happen, even though if you provide bank statement, HR, they may ask you to open your internet banking and ask them to showcase all these details. That time no one can do anything.
They are also asked EPF member ID also.
Member ID you can give. Anyway, we are giving that EPF number, right? Once you take, documents with PF, you will get everything. PF number, you will get, genuine form 16, you will get it.
How much they are charging, sir, background certificates?
That depends on, with PF some amount will be there, without PF some amount will be there. Okay. If you want, you can reach out to me, I can help you. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Sir, I haven't received this recording links for last 4 days. Like, where can we get?
Oh, is it Sanket, right?
Yeah.
So how you joined this class? Who shared this link?
Through IGM, I have joined.
Through IGM. Okay. IGM. Okay. Today I can share with that guy, institute guy. He will send it to you.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Actually, I have a conflict with the current batch timings. Maybe from next batch I would be able to join. So
yeah, no problem.
So
I will
how
update you in
we-
the WhatsApp groups.
in the same WhatsApp group which we
Yes,
have.
correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks all. Happy weekend. We'll meet on Monday. Yes.
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow no session. 3 sessions got over. Monday onwards, we will start our actual classes.
Okay.
Only
Weekend also
this
will
link
be
it
there.
won't work. That we will discuss. How many people are going to join in that batch? I will send one message. How many people will agree for that weekend? So accordingly we will decide. Okay. I'm ready to take weekends also.
And it for like 2 months, right? Like if we go daily 1 hour, like 8
No, not 2 months. 35 hours, 35 days.
35 days. Okay.
We can also తీసుకోండి సార్ ఫాస్ట్ గా.
That depends on ఒకరే కాదు కదా, అందరూ ఉంటారు. We will take everyone opinion. Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks all. We'll catch up
Thank you, sir.
on Monday.
Very
Okay.
much.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Bye all. Take care.
Bye.